The dog carrier is an essential tool in any home with pets, since it consists of a basic product when leaving the house with the dog, regardless of whether it is done in a car, bus, plane, train, ferry or any other means of transport. It is possible to find folding carriers which are very useful because they offer the opportunity to dismantle all their parts in order to save it more easily by not using it. The carriers are designed with the purpose to offer security and comfort to dogs. Normally the removable parts are usually the grills, the roof, and even certain models have the ability to adapt their measurements. In any case, and before encouraging yourself to buy a dog carrier, it is essential to know exactly the measures of the dog, since in this way it will be possible to find and acquire the ideal model according to the needs of the dog. It is necessary to emphasize that each one of these measures must be added 10 cm in order to choose a carrier spacious enough where the dog can feel protected and not believe that it lacks space to move comfortably. It is essential that the carrier can adjust correctly to the transport that will be used when traveling with the dog.